What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel with Exhausted. So in today's episode of the Mark 1 MX-5 turbo build, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be swapping over the spark plugs to some NGK spark plugs. The ones I'm going to be running are the BK R7Es, which are a lot better for turbo builds, and they're the ones which are recommended on most forums like miataturbo.net and those sort of forums as well. So I thought I'd go with these, safe option, and they'll do the job nicely. So I've got 4 of these. We're going to be installing those into the MX-5. This is going to be the same procedure if you want to change spark plugs on an MX-5. Regardless of the spark plugs, just make sure you get the right size. It's a very simple, straightforward process, but for any of you who may be worried about this, you can save a lot of money on servicing by doing these small things yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. So we're going to start off by removing the ignition leads, or HT leads, whatever you want to call those, by just popping them out of the case. And then we're going to get our spark plug socket and remove the stock ones. So I'm using a 5/8" one, or 16mm, and that's a spark plug socket. So we're just going to drop that into here, let it seat itself. And just put it out. So now I've got the stock ones pulled out, we can go ahead and insert this one into here and just tighten it up. And then you want to repeat the same process on all of these. So now we've got all 4 spark plugs in place, we're just going to go ahead and reattach our HT leads. So a couple of things to bear in mind is you want to make sure all of your HT leads or ignition port leads are properly seated onto the spark plugs. You'll feel them click into place when you're putting them in, but make sure that they are connected so we don't have any issues with the spark. So that was it, that's how you change the spark plugs over on the Mark 1 MX-5. That was a very, very short video. A couple of tips I would have would be to make sure you use a spark plug socket. They've basically got like a rubber sleeve on the inside which will grip onto the spark plug to save you removing the cam cover and actually taking them out with pliers or your hands or something like that. So make sure you use one of those, and like I said before in the previous clip, make sure the HT leads are properly seated on top of the spark plugs so you've got a good connection. So yeah, also tomorrow the manifold and downpipe is coming finally, so we're going to be able to finally get the turbo mounted up onto the MX-5, and we're closing in on finishing the build. All we've got to do after that is run the water lines, the oil lines, and I'm waiting for a fuel rail to put the new fuel injectors in. And then it should be up and running on the turbo if we don't face any issues, which 9 times out of 10 you inevitably do. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, be sure to give me a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Yeah, until the next one guys, adios.